How do you say August in Afan Oromo? Hagayya, Hagayya, August, Hagayya. His birthday is August 21st. How do you say his birthday is August 21st? Guyyaan dhaloota isaa Hagayya 21. Guyyaan dhaloota isaa Hagayya 21. His birthday is August 21st. Guyyaan dhaloota isaa Hagayya 21. How do you say September in Afan Oromo? How do you say September in Afan Oromo? Fulbaana, Fulbaana. September, Fulbaana. How do you say October in Afan Oromo? Onkololes, Onkololes. October, Onkololes. How do you say November in Afan Oromo? Sadas, Sadas. November, Sadas. How do you say December in Afan Oromo? Mudde, Mudde. December, Mudde. How do you say work in Afan Oromo? Hojii, Hojii. Work, Hojii. I don't have work today. Har'a hojii hin qabu. How do you say I don't have work today in Afan Oromo? Har'a hojii hin qabu. How do you say word in Afan Oromo? Jech, Jech. Word, Jech. How do you say, do you know this word in Afan Oromo? Jecha kana beektaa? Jecha kana beektaa? Do you know this word? Jecha kana beektaa? How do you say book in Afan Oromo? Kitaaba, Kitaaba. Book, Kitaaba. How do you say, have you read this book in Afan Oromo? Kitaaba kana dubbisteettaa? Kitaaba kana dubbisteettaa? Have you read this book? Kitaaba kana dubbisteettaa? How do you say coffee in Afan Oromo? Buna, Buna. Coffee, Buna. How do you say, do you drink coffee in Afan Oromo? Buna ni dhugdaa? Buna ni dhugdaa? Do you drink coffee? Buna ni dhugdaa? How do you say head in Afan Oromo? Mata, mata, head, mata. How do you say he shook his head in Afan Oromo? Inni mataa raase. Inni mataa raase. He shook his head. Inni mataa raase. How do you say house in Afan Oromo? Mana, mana. House, mana. He bought a new house. How do you say he bought a new house in Afan Oromo? Inni mana haaraa bite. Inni mana haaraa bite. New, haaraa. New, haaraa. How do you say service in Afan Oromo? Tajaajila, tajaajila. Service, tajaajila. How do you say thank you for your service in Afan Oromo? Tajaajila keef galatoomi. Tajaajila keef galatoomi. Thank you for your service. Tajaajila keef galatoomi. How do you say friend in Afan Oromo? Hiriyyaa, hiriyyaa. Friend, hiriyyaa. How do you say Jabessa is my friend in Afan Oromo? Jabessaan hiriyyaa kooti. Jabessaan hiriyyaa kooti. Jabessa is my friend. Jabessaan hiriyyaa kooti. How do you say hour in Afan Oromo? Sa'atii, sa'atii. Hour, sa'atii. I had a 4-hour sleep last night. How do you say I had a 4 hours sleep last night in Afan Oromo? Eeda sa'atii afurin rafe. Eeda sa'atii afurin rafe. Last night. Eeda. Last night. Eeda. I had a 4 hours sleep last night. Eeda sa'atii afurin rafe. How do you say car in Afan Oromo? Konkolaataa, konkolaataa. Car, konkolaataa. How do you say she bought a new car in Afan Oromo? Isheen konkolaataa haaraa bitte. Isheen konkolaataa haaraa bitte. She bought a new car. Isheen konkolaataa haaraa bitte. How do you say city in Afan Oromo? Magala, magala, city, magala. How do you say Finfinne is a large city in Afan Oromo? Finfinneen magaalaa guddoodha. Finfinneen magaalaa guddoodha. Finfinne is a large city. Finfinneen magaalaa guddoodha. How do you say idea in Afan Oromo? Yaada, yaada. Idea, yaada. How do you say it was a nice idea in Afan Oromo? Yaada gaarii ture. Yaada gaarii ture. It was a nice idea. Yaada gaarii ture. How do you say information in Afan Oromo? Odeeffannoo, odeeffannoo. Information, odeeffannoo. How do you say, do you have enough information in Afan Oromo? Odeeffannoo ga'aa qabdaa? Odeeffannoo ga'aa qabdaa? Enough, ga'aa. Enough, ga'aa. Do you have enough information? Odeeffannoo ga'aa qabdaa?